Here's all the ways that you can get a map in Minecraft. Now, making a map in Minecraft is pretty simple. First off, you need some paper, which you make out of a raw sugarcane like this, and then you also need a compass, made by combining 4 iron ingots with a bit of redstone in the middle. Then put the compass in the center, surrounded by 8 pieces of paper, and there you go, an empty map ready to be filled in with whatever you want. Just right-click it, and it's going to fill in the terrain around you. But don't worry, there's also other ways of getting it. You can find empty maps in shipwrecks, strongholds, and villages as well. Not to mention, you can also buy one from your local cartographer like this for just 7 emeralds. Now, if you do already have a map and you want to create even more copies of it, don't worry, that's also very easy. Simply place it in a cartography table and then add another empty map into the slot, giving you a clone map at the end. That isn't the only use that a cartography table has though. You can combine the map with a piece of paper to actually zoom out a map a bit more like this. And you can do this up to 4 times. You can also use a cartography table, combine the map with a glass pane to lock the map in its last state, meaning that no matter what changes in the world, the map will always remain the same. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about making maps in Minecraft.